Today we learn this. The crochet method of patchwork hat. Use thread Wiley Siwo Wo Baby with a 3.0 needle. First, make a slip knot. Then crochet for chain stitches. On the first braid, hook and slip stitch. Then crochet 3 chains. These 3 chain stitches are counted as the first stitches. Then crochet another braid. In the loop, hook a long stitch. One braid. Continue to crochet long stitches in the loop. Add 3 chain stitches. There are 8 long stitches in the loop, with a braid in between. Finished with 2 stitches in the gap, and make a slip stitch. In the second round, 3 braids. In the gap, hook 5 long stitches. From the first long stitches, hook the loop through. Fix it with a slip stitch. And a date-shaped stitch is completed. Next, 3 braids. In the second gap, in the same way. According to this rule, in each gap, hook a jujube-shaped stitch with 3 chains in between. Finish this round. Finished with a braid. On the first jujube-shaped needle, hook a medium long stitch. In the second round, 3 chains. In the same gap, 2 incomplete long stitches. There are 3 loops on the hook. Pull them through at once. A jujube-shaped needle is completed. Next, crochet 6 chains. Skip 1 space and don't hook. And in the next gap, hook a jujube-shaped needle. Three braids. In the same gap, hook another date-shaped needle. This way, a corner is completed. Next, leave 1 space to crochet a corner with 6 chains in between. Finally, in the beginning gap, hook a jujube-shaped needle. And 3 chains. And the first date-shaped needle. A complete flower piece is finished, except for the first one. And connect the other pieces as you crochet. First, crochet a jujube needle at the second corner and a braid. Pick up the other pieces with the backs facing each other. on the other fabrics in the corner and hook a short stitch. A braid. Then go back to the original knitting piece. Continue to crochet the corner. And finally, braids. From the other knitting pieces, the braided gap, and hook a short stitch. Then 3 braids. And go back to the original knitting piece to hook the corner. Gap. First, crochet a jujube stitch. A braid. In the corner of the other knitting piece, hook a short stitch. 3 braids. Go back to the original knitting piece and continue to knit. This way, one side is completed. And connect them. Continue to crochet the rest according to the pattern. Here, according to the connection just now, to connect 7 flower pieces, insert the needle into the corner on the side and pull the thread out. 2 braids. 3 long stitches in the same gap. In the next gap, hook to long stitches first. Then pass through both layers of braids simultaneously and hook to long stitches. And then 2 long stitches in the same gap. Braid in the corner, needle. Hook 3 long stitches. "12 long stitches are hooked on a petal. According to this pattern, in other flower pieces, finish the special long stitches. Turn the 2 braids in the second row and hook the same number of stitches. On the third row, turn the 2 braids and the same type of long stitches. Finish with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Then start crocheting in the circle. First, crochet a round of long stitches without adding or subtracting. And ends with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Then start to decrease stitches. Crochet 5 long stitches in each braid. And 1 incomplete long stitch. Then a long stitch incomplete stitch. Pull through the 3 loops on the hook. 1 decrease is completed. The pattern of this round is 5 long stitches, 1 long needle decreased. Finish this round according to this pattern. Ends with the first stitch. On the 6th round, 2 braids. First hook a long needle decreased. Then 1 by 1 for long stitches. The pattern of this round is 1 long stitch decrease, for long stitches. Finish this round according to this pattern. Ends with the first stitch. Next, follow the pattern of these 2 rows. Single stitches decrease at the back, and even number decreases in front. Finish the remaining rounds. The remaining decreasing needle rules knit 1 every 3 stitches. Knit 2 stitches together, 1 stitch at a time, for the last round. Continuous crochet 12 groups of long stitches. The needle reduction is done, and cut thread. Use a sewing needle to pass through all the outer half stitches of the needle. Tighten the loop. Tie the thread ends in the back, according to the hat body's crochet method, on the other side of the flower piece. Next, crochet braids. Turn 1 braid over. First, hook a short stitch. Skip 2 stitches. On the 3rd stitch, hook 5 long stitches. Skip 2 stitches. On the 3rd stitch, hook a short stitch. Repeat a short stitch. A fan-shaped flower with 5 long stitches. With 2 stitches in between. After hooking the special pattern, 3 on the side of the hat, and tassels as decoration. First, crochet 15 braids. On the penultimate stitch, and hooked 5 incomplete medium long stitches. Pull all loops at once. Repeat this pattern 3 times. Connect the thread to the side of the hat. Continue to crochet tassels according to the method. This is the finished look of our hatred. Under the tassels, we used wooden beads as decoration. The finished size is probably suitable for, with a head circumference of 54 centimeters.